Looking for a powerful and reliable business laptop in 2025? The HP EliteBook 650 G10 might just be your perfect partner. In this video, we'll explore everything from performance and design to connectivity and special features. Let's dive in. Design and build. The HP EliteBook 650 G10 features a sleek, professional design with a durable build. It comes in various colors and weighs just 3.9 pounds, making it portable yet sturdy. The 15.6-inch Full HD LED display has an anti-glare matte finish, perfect for long work sessions without straining your eyes. Processor and performance. Under the hood, it's powered by Intel's 13th Gen Core i7-1355U, a 10-core processor with 2 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. With speeds up to 5.0 GHz and a 12 MB cache, this laptop handles multitasking and demanding business applications with ease. Memory and storage. It's equipped with 32 GB DDR4 RAM and a blazing fast 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD. Whether you're running multiple apps or handling large files, everything runs smoothly without lag. There's also a 64 GB RAM plus 2 TB SSD version if you need even more power. Graphics and display. For visuals, the integrated Intel Iris-Xe graphics delivers crisp clarity and smooth rendering for office tasks, streaming, and light creative work. The 15.6-inch FHD screen with 1920 by 1080 resolution ensures a clear and vibrant display. Connectivity and ports. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster and more stable connections. The laptop offers a versatile selection of ports: 1 Thunderbolt 4, 1 USB-C, 2 USB-A, 1 HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, RJ45, combo audio jack, and 1 AC power port. Plenty of options for any setup. Security and keyboard. Security is built in with a fingerprint reader and Windows 11 Pro for professional-grade protection. The spill-resistant backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad ensures productivity in any environment, day or night. Battery and audio. The laptop runs on a 51Wh lithium-ion battery, providing solid runtime for mobile professionals. For meetings and media, it features dual stereo speakers and array microphones, making video calls and presentations sound great. Who is this for? Whether you're a business executive, remote worker, or student handling heavy software, the HP EliteBook 650 G10 is built for performance, reliability, and security, making it an ideal choice for professionals. Pricing and variants. It starts at $1,149 for the 32 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD version, and goes up to $1,299 for the 64 GB RAM and 2 TB SSD configuration. For what it offers, this is solid value for business-class performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and productivity tips.